percent increase and also percent decrease. Percent increase is like the profit percent. Think of it like that. And percent decrease is like the discount percent. Now to find the percent increase, you're going to find the amount of increase, which is also known as the difference of the two values. Difference just means subtract. And you always divide by the original amount. I mean, I can make up stuff all day long. Take the new value minus the old value, divide it by the old value. If you want to think of it like that. It's kind of dangerous for decrease to use this, but it still works. So let's look at this example. We're going to find the percent increase. What we need to do first is find the difference in those two values. So let's go ahead and find the difference. Because it started out with 285 people and it increased to 333. So we're going to take 333, subtract 285. You should get 48. Let's do it on our calculator. We do get 48. So what that means is, that's our numerator. That's what the difference is, the amount of increase. It increased by 48. Now what we start out with, we didn't start out with 333. We started out with 285. Friday comes before Saturday. So we're going to use 285. That's the original amount. So let's take 48 and divide that by 285. And we get 0.168. Now that's the decimal. Well, we haven't mentioned the word percent yet until now. We're going to convert that to percent by moving the decimal two places to the right. We get 16.8%. Or if you times it by 100, you get 16.8 also. Now the percent decrease done the same way. I'm going to find the difference of the two. If you use the new minus old, you may get a negative value, and if you do, just ignore the negative, leave it off. But on the difference, I'm just going to take 20,145 minus 18,430. I always want a positive value on these. 20,145 minus 18,430. 1715. Now to find the percent decrease, this is a decrease now. We put that difference on top, divide it by the original amount. Now, the original amount is 20,145. There's a couple reasons why we know that. Well, the main reason is because it says it started at 20,145 and it decreased to 18,430. This has nothing to do with the problem, by the way, as far as how to find the answer. The bigger number in this case is the denominator. It's the original amount because there's a decrease. On the increase, the smaller number is the original amount. But since this is a decrease, we're using the bigger number. So we'll take 1715 and divide that by 20,145. We get 0.085. You can times that by 100 or move the decimal two places. And we get a percent decrease of 8.5%. And that's really all you're doing.